Good morning, Sean. Good morning. How are you? You're fine. What are you eating? Mandazi. She's eating mandazi for breakfast. So today you're going to school. No need to carry your bag. Today you only have to carry your file. You have to carry your file and you have to carry your file only. Yeah, so guys, I named after my grandma Angeline. Bibi, the one you see there, Bibi. I named after her. My grandma is Angeline Thomas, so I named her after Bibi. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends to the place you are watching me from. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. On today is a new blessing, and it's a new day. We give thanks to Almighty God for this amazing time and for this great time. Today I haven't gone to the orphanage because there were no cement, and literally we stopped a little bit for also the floor to do what you call like to dry up a little bit until we resume back. And also I have a very big surprise for the drunkard man. So thank you so much for the subscribers who really reached out, or for the well wishers who reached out and say, Cloud, I'll buy him more fertilizer. And I want to say, Cloud, I'll do what you call like I want her wife to have some this kind of funds so that they can use it for their daily basis. So this day today I'll be traveling from here back to the orphanage area to go and surprise the drunkard man. We have a very good surprise for him, a very good surprise. I don't know, I'm not quite sure if he has ever touched this kind of a surprise, but let's wait and see. And also this day today, it's my day to take my daughter to school. It's crossing day actually, so we're going to pick up their results. So that's why you see she's eagerly waiting for me there. I told her to stay back at home so that I can go to pick the results alone, but she's like, no, daddy, I must go. So she has put there, even she was carrying her bag, but see, like, she's really loving school. I don't know, she really loves school. Yeah, so this is my beautiful cabin where I always relax. It's my, what you call like our house that I built those days back in 2019, up to date. Wow, a very nice time. Wow, so I have to put on the shoes, ignite the car as we are waiting. Wow, just like this. These shoes look like those ones for the Pharisees. You know, you can put it in two ways. You can put it like this, like a Pharisee. Also, you can put like this as a Pharisee. You can put like this, like a Pharisee. And then you walk like a Pharisee, but I don't love it this way. I don't love it this way because I feel like I'm putting on I'm becoming a Pharisee. So I have to put it like this and also put it like this. This is technology advanced, because those days back we used to wear tiles like this. You know, when you say about tiles, there most of them Maasais use them. Good morning. Most of them Maasai use them. You have to wait for the car tire like this to be cut, and then they fit it as a shoes, and then you put on. I used to love them so very much, or so very dearly. Let us ignite the car, but first you have to check at the engine. The engine, at the bonnet, does it have water? You know, that's how you take care of your machines, or that's how you take care of machines. You check on your water, you check on the oil, and then you ignite your car. So yeah, just like that, and then you just ignite your car. Wait first, mommy. She's already here. Wait first, I'm coming. Wait first the car to ignite, and then I'll call you. No hurry, okay? Yeah, kaa tu ndani. She's in a hurry. She wants to go pick her results. She wants to go pick her results. That's why you see she's in a very big hurry. So just like that, and then you leave it like that to ignite, The good thing is it doesn't bring smoke. No bad smoke. There's no smoke literally. So no smoke. So let me go open the gate. Then we check this early morning washing and a very nice dog and cat. Just relaxing. Hi. Good morning. Yeah, so I don't know how Bunyigi is going to react about this. And also the good thing is my brother is putting up the roof. This is a big surprise. He's trying to put up the roof. You know, we have also so many unfinished projects around here. I saw someone commenting that, Claude, you have so many unfinished projects around your home. But it's slowly by slowly, step by step. We cannot rush when there's no financial status. So it's easy, slowly. Yeah. I don't think these people yesterday closed. I don't think if they closed this gate yesterday night. When I don't come to check on it, everybody just does his or her own work. So let's check on what's going on. So you just leave the car for at least 5 minutes, and then it can keep on moving. So I want to put here also some people who will help in digging on this side, because veggies have really surpassed our watermelon. You see how this is a watermelon, guys, seedlings. This is a watermelon, and it comes out very nicely, very good. So all the way around here, this whole farm is filled with watermelon. So the only thing that is remaining is to do what we call like weeding, so that it can be clean, and we will be done with this, and then we will be waiting for fruits, and just like that we'll be bouncing to the market and dancing to the bank and smiling to the table. Dancing to the market because you have better yields, bouncing to the bank because your money has already gone there, and then smiling to the table because they'll be very juicy. I really came to realize how to farm very nice and beautiful juicy watermelon. Yeah, so over here my wife was doing the videos. She does cooking videos, and this is our grill. You know, this is our beautiful great grill, where even if one day you come and you are like, Claude, you want to have beef or you want to have full goat, the grill will work its own things. The grill will work a very magic things, and through that things will really much happen. So please check her also on her YouTube channel. She's doing some cooking videos. I don't know why my eyes always, disturbing. Who knows what I'm looking here? I'm looking for guavas. It's already ready. So guys, through that, let us go back and check on what's going on. This is our beautiful homestead, and through this, that's how you see flowers and everything. This is our house from outside. I've shown you the inside where I started from, and I'm very much sorry for this. There's something that happened here. I don't know if people pushed it or who. They pushed our fence down, and sometimes I just don't mind them because I know I'll just repair it. The other time they killed our dog, and now they pushed the fence down. Look, they pushed the fence down and got break from the other point to this other end. So which means I have to buy 1 pole, 2 pole, 3 pole, 4 pole, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until this side. So let me say approximately 10, because when they see these are new poles, and they're compacted with concrete all the way to the other side. But they came and found out, oh, this end, so they pushed this. It's very weak. This one also is very weak. But I'll share with you where I'm going to buy these poles some days when I'm free, and also when I'll be working with this. And this roof looks very nice, so they're keeping on working on it. So maybe some days I'll show you the end product of how this roof is going to look out. That's my young brother Mogendi the Dreamer. His YouTube channel got lost a little bit, and he's tried to focus on his other stuff slowly working with Go with Jay. And the little he gets, he keeps it. I'm very much proud of him, because nowadays he has understood himself, and he really saved money so that he can finish his house. I told him, bro, I cannot finish your house when you're still alive, man. You that do this, you're alive and well. Please, we have done our best. Try as much as you can to fix this. So when he has started putting up the timbers, and also there are some iron sheets in the house, can support maybe by buying him even one cement, paying our mason like that until you see this finished. You know, when you see somebody dedicating himself, then also you can put your dedication there also. Yeah, so through that, let's head back to school for baby Shan or Angeline, and then we will continue. Shan! Alright guys, let's proceed. Let me check on grandma, how she's doing. Baby, good morning. Hey, my hand is here. Usishike hapa. She always feel like she wants to hold there. Good morning. You okay? You know, nowadays guys, a doctor always come to check on her like every morning and evening, because she used to not even wake up but even talk. But we thank God for the gift of life. Aya baby, hata nipeleke Angelina shuleni. Aya, so let's go. Aya, take your file and tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Bring this. Okay, as a dad I have to tie these shoelaces for her. Not just like that, yeah. We tie the shoelaces, and then we can continue to move to school. You know, you nowadays, you people, I want my nene. What do you say? Nowadays, kids of nowadays, they really enjoy. With us at this age, you wash by yourself, you run to school by yourself. No, put this there. No, don't go with those to school. Put them there. Put this. Yes, put them here. You'll come later to pick them, okay? Alright. Okay, good. Come. Hi. Where's your assessment book? It's okay. Hi. Alright guys, let's proceed. We just arrived at her school, and I know very well that she's the only girl who wants to put on uniform and come to school. So the girl is happy. She is at school. I picked her books and everything. You have to carry this by yourself. No, let's go. No, hold this. So you are happy. No, you'll see them at home. Happy guys. Excited. Hey, I love her school. This is her school. It's really nice and great. And hi, you're opening from the gate. Okay. No, stop. Now you are. She was very gloomy because she never wanted to be at home, because you see, no kids at school. It's only parents who are coming to pick the results. But she was like, no, I have to go pick my own results. And she has really performed. I'll share with you what's happening on this side. Okay. Look up the grandfather. Tiana. Hey. That's the dad with the grandchild. So guys, it's time for me to go to Bunyige's place, the drunkard guy. Also, this is Julie. Julie's an electrician, is a roofing guy. Hey, this guy is multi-talented. Yeah, guys, so that's it. So let's head back to the drunkard guy so that we can deliver his surprise, alright? Okay. Zay, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine.
You good?
I'm
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Even you?
yeah. I'm good.
Yes.
Okay. Aye. So guys, I'm leaving home, heading to the orphanage area at Bunyige's place. So let's go meet Bunyige. Taki akanyage chini. Oh, acha mimi naenda Masebe. Hey. So guys, we are heading down just like that. Let's go surprise Bunyige. Let's go see Bunyige the drunkard. Big surprise for Bunyige the drunkard. I told him if you continue drinking, no surprise. But let's go see Bunyige. At least slowly. This I see cruising around the Bay of Mexico. I also to come back and see how things are moving slowly. Around the Bay of Mexico, I could trip round. Time to visit Bunyige. So the orphanage is the other side. So let's go to Bunyige's home. Bunyige. The road is not roading. Thank you, Bunyige and the wife, they're at the farm. Bunyige and the wife, they are at the farm. Or is Bunyige only who is at? Odi hapa. Hey, where is Bunyige? Oh. Oh, sawa. Uko salama lakini? Okay. Yeah, guys, that's the wife to Bunyige. So, Bunyige ako kwa orphanage yuko, si ndio? So, she says Bunyige is at the orphanage. She's a really hardworking lady. And, yeah, so I have to give her the money that belongs to her and the one that belongs to Bunyige. Aya, niko na surprise yako. Hey. Alafu Bunyige yeye yake pia nitampatia yake. Hii niliambiwa nikuletee wewe kama mwanamke wa boma. Alafu na ingine nikaambiwa nipatie Bunyige aongezee mbolea. Hiyo sababu ninajua nikiwapatia wote akiwa hata nini hata present maybe itakuwa labda vita, lakini sitaki vita. Guys, she's a very hard working lady, and I was given $100 for her. That's equivalent to 12,000 Kenyan shillings. And hili tumwa na rafiki yangu mmoja, mama mwenye aliona akasema, we kama mwanamke wa boma nafaa ukae na hii hela ufanyie matumizi kidogo kidogo, kama utanunua kama ni kiti ya plastic, chakula kidogo kidogo. Bunyige yake iko. Yeah, you can say in thanks in you know English. Thanks. Yes. So yeah, guys, this is $100 and there's one for Bunyige. So hesabu hii pesa. Unajua uamini. Hesabu hiyo pesa vizuri. you know. So how to deliver? She's at the farm. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 12.
God bless her.
Yeah, God bless. Thank you, guys. Let me even take off this my coffee so that they can see. You can see me well, guys. Actually, it's the one of the subscribers or well wishers who said that because she has seen she has seen her, she's really not okay, maybe in financial. So she was like, let me send this $100 for her so that she can also for her own upkeep and for the help. You see, like now she's working very hard at the farm. This is their farm. I told them that they'll be putting bolea, which is a fertilizer. So let me look. I'm going to hunt for the husband because the husband, they have been told that he has gone to the orphanage. So I'm going to the orphanage. There's also one subscriber who sent him money. He donated to him. That was 2,700 Kenyan shillings. So I have to give him 2,700 Kenyan shillings, and this was specifically for the wife. So I don't want to mix. So it's better I give what belongs to Bunyige and what belongs to Mama, because I understand moms really do well when they do about shopping and everything. So this money that has remained 2,700 was wired through my M-Pesa. I'm going to give it to Bunyige so that also he can add for the fertilizer. What do you say for the person who supported you for this?
I appreciate him.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah. So
she helped me far.
yeah. She have no idea. She's almost crying. Oh my god. You keep on working. Na utunze vizuri, fanya matumizi vizuri ya pesa jamani. Sitaki vita. Na Bunyige na
hivi ni kiti naenda ninunue kweli.
kiti. Unanunue kiti. Nunua tu, hata tunza hata nunua kwanza ni plastic, ununue kwanza, pesa nyingine utumie kidogo kidogo, hata kama ni plastic 2 au 3, alafu zingine utumie tu kidogo kidogo. Yeah, so let me just tell Bunyige that I want peace. Yeah, so nilimwambia kilewa hakuna vitu zitakuja. Lakini akiona vizuri, hata kama ni kukunywa jioni wakati anaingia kulala. Yeah, so she said that nowadays Bunyige has changed. So let's go. Let me hata naenda kumtafuta. I'm going to hunt for Bunyige. But I never wanted to go home, but because I found you to the job, let me not take your time. I've delivered what I've been sent, and that's for you. Yeah, that's for you. Thank you so much. And also there's a $50 for the orphanage that I'll take it there, because now we balance for the what you call like for the cement and everything, but that one was yours specifically. Yeah, so God bless you. Also keep on the good work, and I'll be keeping updating you on what's going on. Okay. Yeah, so guys, let's go get back, and she's resuming back to the maize to do what we call like farming and everything. So let's hunt for Bunyige. Where is Bunyige? Yeah. Oh my god, the wife was almost crying. The wife was almost crying. Was like, oh, she never believed that. Well, she's like, I'm going to buy a chair, and for sure guys, they had no chair in the house. So even yesterday I was standing, she was like, we should sit here. But wow, God knows how to open the doors for people, you know. So I'm being a drunkard, and now help is coming well, and that's what we want, guys. Let me look for Bunyige. I think Bunyige is at the orphanage here. Let me hunt for Bunyige. You know, he always comes to just look for work so that he can feed the family. You know? Wow. Let us hunt for Bunyige. Where is Bunyige? Let me look for Bunyige. Road to the orphanage. Let's go see where it is. So there was 2,700 that was wired by a subscriber to M-Pesa. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And there's one that was wired to the bank, to my bank actually. There was 150, so 50 for the orphanage and 100 to the wife. Right? So let us look for Bunyige and call out where is Bunyige. Oh guys, actually I feel so much happy when I see them even smiling. Despite the husband was very drunkard, saving the kids. Yeah. Hapo tu tata, sitaingia sana. Naeka tu hapa tata. Aye. Hey guys, so Bunyige is working. Let me see what Bunyige is doing. Okay. What are you doing today, Bunyige? Bunyige is under lockup today. How is everything, Bunyige? Uko salama?
Niko salama. Naendelea na kazi hapa.
Naendelea na kazi? Because I cannot have an access because there is a phone on top. He's working on this other side. So Bunyige, leo niko na surprise yako. Sasa sijui nitafanya aje. Kuna mtu alikutumia 2,700 ya Kenya. Akasema uongezee kwa ile mbolea.
Asante bana. Nashukuru.
Yeah, sasa ndo tuone venye kuko na pia alitumia wifi yako kidogo pia kujimudu. Sasa nimeenda nyumbani nimekukosa nikapata wifi kwa shamba. Yeah.
Sasa ndio niliamkia hapa.
Okay. So tunafanya aje? Na iko kwa simu. How are you doing it?
Sasa.
You say I send it to the wife. Hey, nowadays Bunyige says I send the money to the wife. That's how you see he has really changed. Unasema umebadilika. It's very rare to find men who says, "Murata utasema tutumie bibi yangu pesa." Caleb, hata utasema tumie bibi yangu pesa yangu. So Bunyige says that I send the money to the wife. So let me send it to her. That's 2,700. Yeah, so 2,700. Uongezee mbolea na uendelee. Sawa man. Let me send it to the wife right now and then she'll tell me the number. Okay. Yeah guys, so this is Bunyige. Yeah man, thank you man for you be that way. If you'll be sober, naambia utakunywa pombe, you'll be very uliacha kabisa. Yeah.
Sasa naomba asanti. Asanti kwa hiyo. Asanti, umeniokolea sana. Tena nashukuru sana, nashukuru kabisa. Yeah guys, Bunyige says thank you so much a million times. Like you can see the excitement on his and also the wife. They were like, what is it this really? So nimemtumia, utamwambia mimi ndio nimemtumia tu bado. Hiyo ni yako na yake alitumia yake kidogo, kaambiwa nunue hata kitu ya plastiki. Sawa. Nimwachia yake na wewe nimwachia yake. Sawa Bunyige bana. Chapa kazi. Wako Bunyige. Yeah guys. So that's it and let's proceed back home and I show you how everything is. I will say thank you so much for each and every person who has done this happen to Bunyige. Alright guys. Arrived back home and this is what you see. They're just roofing over there and yeah, as I told you today at the orphanage we have to relax a little bit and maybe give a little break until we again resume back. So now it's that let me show you our amazing watermelons are coming out well and my wife's kitchen garden is also doing amazing, very fabulous. You see, this is a watermelon all the way, you know. The other day I was putting fertilizer over here and yeah, I'm really much happy for this progress of how they are coming out. As you see the other end, you know, when I see this I really feel very much happy and great because it's a very nice project. You know, let me show you another thing here. You see how they're coming out? So the moment they get fertilizer they come out like this. The other one is there, another one is here, just all the way, you know. So just like that. So tomorrow there'll be people who will be doing some weeding over here because I really love to see people working at my farm when I'm out there, so that I can tell them, okay, this is supposed to be done this way, because a watermelon is a very critical plant that if shaken it will really not do well, you know. So
you really have to be very much careful about it, and really watching them and telling them, okay, this is supposed to be done this way, and this one is supposed to be done like this, and that's how it goes on well. And also I'm trying to breed here, is it even breeding, planting some what we call tamarind tree, because they always say tamarind tree does well in a coastal area, but I really appreciate that they're coming out. These ones, there's another one tamarind there, and also there's another tamarind here, another tamarinds, they are here. So I'm just waiting for them for the transplant of those tamarinds. My camera, just waiting for the transplant of those tamarinds. And at least I took also grandma outside for a little air from there. So because she was asleep, I just decided to take her out for a little air. And here she is, a little bit hard to balance her with two chairs like this. Bibi, good morning. Say hi. Hey, wave, fanya hivi bibi. Hivi. Wafanyie hivi. Hi. How are you? You good?
Good.
You great?
Great.
Yeah, fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. Yeah, guys, this is a lovely grandma. Sometimes I feel very much happy when I see her even raising a hand. At a point, she doesn't raise a hand, but for now, she's okay. Baby, haidoma iye mulali, haidoma wana wange wapikile ngaso, haidoma iye mulali, haidoma. Imba sasa tuendelee. But her skin, it's kinda okay. You know, it's reached a point where you are touching like this, you feel as if it's scary. And there was something that came out of this leg. Pole baby, pole. It looks like it looks. So the moment so I had to put this here to elevate. It's something like a wound that's trying to come out of the leg. It's trying to evade her, but I'm really fighting much, because the doctor tells me she will make sure the leg is okay, and with baby also will be walking, hopefully, because now you carry her in out, and that's how it happens. All right guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your love, the gift of life from Almighty God, and also with this journey that we are on. You know, we are going this way, we are going on this same road, because I don't know if we will forever be young. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Forever, forever young, I wanna be forever young. Something like that. I don't know if I'll be forever young, but I believe all we are heading to the same way of grandma. So thank you so much guys, I appreciate your love, and feel free to subscribe, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and God bless you, man. Bye. I love you guys.